दुख नहीं वीरू, जिए तो दोस्त के साथ, मरे तो दोस्त के सामने.
One of the most iconic scenes from Indian cinema from the movie Sholay. What do you think? Friends are like this? Type in the comments if you think so. See, most of us think that किसी मूवी में अगर ये चीज़ दिखाई गई है तो हमारी असली ज़िंदगी भी वैसी ही होनी चाहिए, and that is all crap. Let me tell you that. See, movies are most often an escape from reality. And that is why we use a word entertainment for movies. And if you feel that your friends are entertainers, you are choosing the wrong friend, my dear. अब friendship है क्या और किससे friendship करनी चाहिए? Let's watch and figure out. Let us address the question why first. That why do we need friends at all in our life? देखो प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि हम सब के बेसिक्स बहुत ज़्यादा हिले हुए रहते हैं. मेरे भी थे, लेकिन लाइफ टीचेस यू अ लॉट. If I ask anyone randomly that hey, why do you need friends? The most common and general answer would be अबे यार chill मारना है, अबे यार party करनी है, अबे यार टफरी मारनी है. All that is great, that is needed. We all are social animals and we need some sort of elixir in our life. But the real game is managing those friends and friendships as well. We need friends for growth. We need friends for our emotional and mental growth. That is the only thing you should seek for in a friendship. The bitter truth of life is कोई चाह कर भी तुम्हारी चीज़ों को ट्रैक पर नहीं ला सकता है. It is your journey and you have to walk all alone. See, everyone has different circumstance, everyone has different surroundings, different terms and conditions in life. Everyone has a different starting line. But the problem is, in friendship, that line is blurry. वो जो starting line है, वो धुंधला हो जाता है जब भी आप किसी से दोस्ती करते हो. Especially when we are in school, we all are in same class, we do not know from which background we are coming, we are intermingling, we are very happy that we have got wonderful friends. But the moment life hits you, the moment life gives you a tight slap, life says that hey, go out, come out of that fairy tale and realize that you are economically poor. You don't have that kind of time which they have. You need different priorities in life. Your goals are different. Maybe somebody wants to become something, you don't want to become that. And that creates the clash in friendship because our fundamentals are shaken. At times, जब काफ़ी सारे दोस्त आपके हर वीक पार्टी कर रहे हैं, हो सकता है आपके कंडीशंस वैसे ना हो. यू कैन अफोर्ड टू पार्टी एवरी वीक. एट टाइम्स यू आर इन अ फ्रेंड सर्कल or a group which is very very abusive and you do not want to use abusive language. लेकिन उस एज में जब हम स्कूल में होते हैं, उस एज में हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमें किसी फ्रेंड सर्कल या फ्रेंड ग्रुप या फ्रेंड स्क्वायर एंड व्हाटएवर में फिट होने के लिए we need to change our mold and shape our personality in that way to fit inside that group, and that is the greatest blunder which we all do. अगर आप वैसा कर रहे हो तो it is only and only your loss because you are changing yourself and they are completely happy at their own place. Your priority, your thought process, the way you perceive things, they are different. So retain that element of difference in your personality. Do not let it lose because ultimately you are losing it. देखो जब भी सवाल आए which one to choose, always choose your priorities first because you know what, real friends are those friends who come from completely different set of spectrum and they come together and walk together to help each other out. That is what real friendship is. At times you would see highly matured friends, they are from different domains altogether, they are from different fields, but they are gelling well. That is the real definition of friendship and you should always chase that kind of friendship. My notion is that your friendship or the person whom you are choosing to be your friend should be from a different domain. That always works because there is no clash of ego, there is no conflict of interest, and that friendship can sustain. So change your fundamentals about friendship. That is the key to unlock the secret of how to make right friends in life. Also another important factor, आप कभी भी allow नहीं कर सकते हैं अपने emotions को आपकी friendship dictate करने के लिए. Always take a right call based on data, not on emotions.
And I happen to have a special guest with me today via satellite downlink. And if we could get him up on the stage right now. Good morning. If we want to move forward and see Apple healthy and prospering again, we have to let go of a few things here. We have to let go of this notion that for Apple to win, Microsoft has to lose.
You watched that how stark enemies came together to give rise to a grand collaboration and friendship, right? Everyone starts with that glorifying idea that our friends should be the same since childhood. Our friendship should not get damaged by anything. But this is wrong. जबकि सच्चाई ये है कि life is ever evolving. Life is figuring out what life actually is, and that is why friendship has to be dynamic. There will be changes. ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपकी frequencies मैच नहीं कर रही हैं, उस इंसान की frequencies बदल चुकी हैं, उस इंसान की priorities कुछ और है अब लाइफ में, वो इंसान वो नहीं करना चाहता है जो वो पहले करना चाहता था. As we grow up, as we evolve, our priorities would change. They should change. That is the sign of maturity. The kind of things we used to think previously, the kind of things we used to talk, we will not talk, right? So you need to understand that it is none of your fault. Both of you are correct at your own places. The only thing is, what has changed is the circumstance and you should adapt and mold yourself accordingly. कई बार आपने देखा होगा कि जिस इंसान के साथ आपकी बिल्कुल नहीं बनती थी जब आप छोटे थे, बड़े होने के बाद उस इंसान के साथ आपकी बनने लगती है. ऐसा बिल्कुल जरूरी नहीं है कि अगर आपका दोस्त दारू पी रहा है तो आपको भी दारू पीना होगा उस दोस्ती को बचाए रखने के लिए. आप दोनों अपनी अपनी जगह उस दोस्ती का सम्मान करते हुए दोस्त बने रह सकते हो. And that is the sign of maturity. Do not try to fit like a jigsaw puzzle. Friendship does not demand that what the other person is doing, you have to do as well. That is the wrong idea. That's why people get into the trap of wrong friendship and get into depression, get into different kind of anxiety, tension, stress. Always take a decision based on sample sets and data. Do not take a decision based on emotion. Do not let your emotion rule or decide whom to choose as a friend. एक और चीज़ जो मैंने नोटिस की है, कई सारे लोग ऐसा कंप्लेन करते रहते हैं, यार तू उस समय ना बहुत अच्छा हुआ करता था, अभी तो बिल्कुल बदल गया है यार. ये बिल्कुल सही चीज़ नहीं है. आपको समझना होगा कि कोई भी इंसान आपका ठेका लेकर नहीं रहने वाला है. आपको ये समझना होगा कि सबसे पहले आपको खुद को देखना है, उसके बाद अपने दोस्तों को. ये बहुत कड़वी सच्चाई है जो हम सबको बहुत लेट पता चलता है जीवन में. देखो, जब हमारे दिमाग में ये आइडिया आता है कि व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ ट्रू एंड गुड फ्रेंडशिप, तब हम काफ़ी छोटे होते हैं. हमारे जो डिसीजंस हैं वो इस पर निर्धारित होते हैं कि हमने कौन सी मूवी देखी है, हमने उस मूवी में कौन से कैरेक्टर को देखा है, हमने उस कैरेक्टर को कैसा बिहेव करते हुए देखा है, या फिर हमने कौन सा नॉवेल पढ़ा है. हम इस बेसिस पे डिसीजन नहीं लेते हैं कि इसके फ्यूचर इम्प्लीकेशंस क्या हो सकते हैं. इंसान एक डायनामिक एंटिटी है, वो चेंज होगा ही होगा किसी ना किसी पॉइंट पर. क्या आप उस चेंज को हैंडल कर पाओगे? वो एक मूवी का कैरेक्टर नहीं है कि आप उसे जैसा चाहे वैसा बिहेव करने को बोलो और वो बिहेव वैसा ही करेगा. When we take these decisions that hey, this is my best friend, this is my not so best friend, at that time we all are stupids, we all are idiots, we do not have a sense of judgment, and that's why we fall into the trap of choosing a wrong friend. Also, कई बार मैंने ये नोटिस किया है कि लोग ऐसे लोगों को दोस्त बनाना पसंद करते हैं जो उनके हर हाँ में हाँ मिलाए. Always remember, say no to people who say yes to everything. This is very important. और एक चीज़ हमेशा याद रखो, जो सबका दोस्त है वो किसी का दोस्त नहीं है. देखो, life is all about balancing. Life is all about management. How you are managing your time, how you are managing your energy, how you are managing your decisions, because friendship is one such relationship which is going to change the way you think, which is going to change the way you take actions. So you need to be very, very careful and very judicious about your friends. And it is ever changing. It is not at all necessary that the person who was your friend in childhood should be your friend always. Keep growing, keep changing, keep filtering, and at the end, when you reach a particular level of judgment in your head that hey, now I can sense things pretty well, I know that what is the wholesome effect of my decision, at that time filter out friends and reach to a number of 1 or maximum 2 friends in your life. That is the actual maturity And that is the actual way how you should select your friends and how you should select right friends. Happy Friendship Week to everyone. Comment your thoughts below with the hashtag #IMakeRightFriends. Check the description with amazing link and share this product with your friends. Like it and subscribe to the channel for wonderful content and revolutionizing your life. On that note, see you on the other side of the screen. This was how to make right friends. Thank you.